Hi, quick and delicious lunches in 2 to 5 minutes. Are you tired of the same old boring lunches? Sick of wasting precious time in the kitchen? I'm Javed Sheikh, and I'm here to show you that delicious doesn't have to mean difficult. We're about to tackle 5 fantastic lunch recipes that anyone could master. That's right, 2 to 5 minutes is all it takes. Sharpen your knives, grab your ingredients, and let's get this show on the road. First up, we're taking on the king of quick lunches, the grilled cheese. Grab your bread and don't be shy with the butter. We want a beautiful golden crust, not some pale imitation. Now, the cheese. Go for something that melts like a dream. Layer it up, slap it in a hot pan, and watch the magic happen. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of a perfect grilled cheese being born. Now plate it up, because it's time to move on to the next challenge. Next up, we're tackling breakfast for lunch, and we're doing it in record time. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, season them generously with salt and pepper, and give them a good whisk. Get your pan smoking hot, a knob of butter melting away, and pour those eggs in. Keep that pan moving, use your spatula to gently pull the eggs from the edges to the center. We want them soft, pillowy, and ready to be devoured. That's it. 1 minute flat, and you've got yourself a protein-packed lunch fit for a king. Chapter 3, Avocado Toast. It's not just for Instagram. All right, let's talk avocado toast. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. First, toast your bread. While that's toasting, grab yourself a ripe avocado. Scoop that gorgeous green flesh out into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, a good crank of black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Now, mash it all up with a fork, spread that creamy avocado goodness onto your toast, and now here's where you can get creative. A sprinkle of chili flakes, a drizzle of olive oil, or some crumbled feta. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 4, Ham and Cheese Wrap. The no-cook lunch hero. Sometimes you just don't have time to cook. That's where the humble ham and cheese wrap comes in. Grab yourself a tortilla. Flour, wheat, spinach, whatever you fancy. Lay down a layer of ham. I like mine with a bit of smoke. Next up, the cheese. I'm partial to a sharp cheddar or a creamy Swiss. Add a layer of something crunchy like lettuce, spinach, or sliced cucumbers. Roll it up tight, cut it in half, and you've got yourself a portable lunch. Chapter 5, Tomato Soup and Crackers, Comfort Food in a Flash. Let's end things on a comforting note with a classic tomato soup and crackers. Heat it up gently on the stovetop with a splash of cream or a knob of butter. While that's warming up, choose your crackers wisely. Go for something with a bit of flavor, a bit of crunch. I like a seeded cracker or even a cheesy one. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, a dollop of creme fraiche, or a drizzle of pesto can take this simple soup to the next level. There you have it. So there you have it. 5 incredible lunch recipes that even the most useless painter could master. Remember, delicious food doesn't have to mean spending hours in the kitchen. With a little bit of effort and a whole lot of passion, you can create restaurant-quality meals at home. Now, stop making excuses and get cooking. And when you're done, leave a comment below and tell me which recipe was your favorite. Did you nail the 1-minute scramble? Did you elevate your avocado toast? Let me know. For now, enjoy your quick and delicious 2-minute lunches and thank me later. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.